Amazon DynamoDB is a key value and document database. It delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. It's a fully managed, multi-region, multi-master, durable database with built-in security, backup and restore, and in-memory caching for internet-scale applications. DynamoDB can handle more than 10 trillion requests per day and can support peaks of more than 20 million requests per second. Here are the key benefits. Performance at scale. DynamoDB is a key value and document database that can support tables of virtually any size with horizontal scaling. It enables flexible schema, which allows you to adapt to your business requirement change easily. For use cases that require even faster access with microsecond latency, DynamoDB Accelerator DAX provides a fully managed in-memory cache. Using DAX, you can improve the read performance of your DynamoDB tables by up to 10 times. The time required for reads reduces from milliseconds to microseconds, even at millions of requests per second. DynamoDB Global Tables replicate your data across multiple AWS regions to give you fast, local access to data for your globally distributed applications. DynamoDB streams capture a time-ordered sequence of item-level modifications in any DynamoDB table and store this information in a log for up to 24 hours. DynamoDB provides both provisioned and on-demand capacity modes. Tables using provisioned capacity mode require you to set read and write capacity. For workloads that are less predictable, on-demand capacity mode takes care of managing capacity for you, and you only pay for what you consume. With the two capacity modes, you can optimize costs by specifying capacity per workload or paying for only the resources you consume. For tables using on-demand capacity mode, DynamoDB instantly accommodates your workloads as they ramp up, or down to any previously reached traffic level. For tables using provisioned capacity, DynamoDB delivers automatic scaling of throughput and storage. If your application traffic grows, DynamoDB increases throughput to accommodate the load. If your application traffic shrinks, DynamoDB scales down so that you pay less for unused capacity. DynamoDB integrates with AWS Lambda to provide triggers. With triggers, you can build applications that react to data modifications in DynamoDB tables. The Lambda function can perform any actions you specify, such as sending a notification or initiating a workflow. Encryption at rest. DynamoDB encrypts all data by default. Encryption at rest enhances the security of your data by using encryption keys stored in AWS Key Management Service. ACID transactions. It provides native, server-side support for transactions, simplifying the developer experience of making coordinated, all-or-nothing changes to multiple items both within and across tables. Point-in-time recovery, PITR, helps protect your DynamoDB tables from accidental write or delete operations. PITR provides continuous backups of your DynamoDB table data. You can recover to any point in time up to the second during the preceding 35 days with no downtime. On-demand backup and restore. You can create full backups of hundreds of terabytes of data instantly with no performance impact to your tables. The archived data can help you meet your corporate and governmental regulatory requirements. DynamoDB is also backed by a service-level agreement for high availability.